Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions I received from people like, can you borrow money from Chime? Yes, you can borrow money from Chime, but only if you're eligible for their Chime Spot Me or Chime Credit Builder features. So these features actually enable you to borrow money from the Chime. So let's get started with that. Make sure you watch the video to the very end because you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe buttons because actually helps me out. Let's get started. So the first thing to check for these features, which is the Chime Spot Me, is to check for the eligibility. So let's get started with that. So the Chime Spot Me allow eligible users to draft up to $200 on debit card purchases, and also no interest or fees. You must repay it from your next deposit, and also eligibility depends on your direct deposit history. And here's how you can check if you qualify for this. Open your Chime bank or Chime app, right? Then tap settings, then click on Spot Me. Then if eligible, activate the Spot Me and see your limit. So from there you can now proceed with the loan or how you to borrow the money. Then the next is the next feature, which is the Chime Credit Builder, which is indirect borrowing. So a secure credit card that helps you build your credit. And also you must deposit money to set up your spending limit, and also no interest fee, and it works like a traditional loan. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the share button and follow for more.